In the meantime, oil prices pulled back, bringing a sense of relief to the markets. Now, that shift carried into Seoul, with the domestic stocks closing higher and the Korean won also strengthening. Our Jun-hong reports.
South Korea's financial markets showed signs of relief on Tuesday, with the benchmark index posting strong gains despite ongoing uncertainties in the Middle East. The KOSPI closed higher at 5,640.48, led by strong gains in large-cap stocks, as buying in semiconductor and auto shares lifted the overall index. The KOSDAQ ended slightly lower, but saw an intraday rebound driven by net retail buying. Meanwhile, the Korean won strengthened slightly, closing at 1,493.6 per dollar, down 3.91 from the previous session. The rally appears to have been driven in part by a recent drop in oil prices, which have been a major source of market swings.
Domestic stocks have been moving in line with oil prices. The recent decline in crude, driven by hopes for a reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, helped fuel the rebound, with institutional buying and a slowdown in foreign outflows, adding further support.
Wall Street rebounded overnight to finish higher after posting broad losses in the previous session. Major indexes rose, posting gains of roughly 1%. The gains were largely driven by a pullback in oil prices. Brent crude slipped back toward the $100 level on Monday, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell more than 5%. The decline came as reports of ships from countries including India and Pakistan passing through the Strait of Hormuz fueled expectations that the route may reopen. Still, analysts say it remains too early to turn optimistic about the situation in the Middle East, with oil prices likely to stay a key driver of market moves for now. Jun-hong, Arirang News.